Hello, my good evening, pretty lovely ladies. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful. చూస్తూనే అర్థమైపోతుంది కదండి. Yes అండి, fancy saree collections. Let's start with the mannequins. Now back to our collection. The saree which I am wearing is lovely bright orange. It's an organza, pure organza with lovely cutwork border. Beautiful Zardozi Kardana work. And we got backing also. All over body lovely sequins and Kardana buttas, and pallu, running pallu, ended up with plain border. And we got gorgeous ready-made blouse for this. It's a pure raw silk beige color ready-made blouse with all over sequins and Zardozi work along with the Kardana. Very pretty blouse, and e blouse e saree lone included. And this beautiful saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot. Same saree meeku kavalante kanaka just send us pic like this. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Lovely dark olive green Kora saree, beautiful kundan stick, golden kundans andi, chala pretty ga unnai, and digital floral printed, and we got cutwork border with sequins along with the Kardana and zari work. This is the pallu, running pallu, ended up with cutwork border. Blouse, wow, beautiful matka silk blouse, self colored but light shade undi, self printed along with the cutwork border. And ee saree pricing and details 10,370. Take a screenshot along with the code Q442. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah, let's see another saree. Beautiful shimmery georgette which is in pista green, all over kardana and mirror buttas, and border moti, kardana and mirror work. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border, and we got gorgeous ready-made blouse, organza blouse, multi colors, orange and pink red, chala pretty ga undi, complete work achindi. See the combination, very lovely kada. And ee saree pricing and details, 6,715. Take a screenshot along with the code T291. Send us on 733 733 7000. Blouse chala colorful undi, chala lovely ga undi. And another saree, red color kora saree, beautiful pink, light pink shade la kanpadutundi manaki, but it's a red and pink mixed. Akkadakada thread work tho floral buttas vachayi, leaf buttas, and this is the cut work border with sequins, thread work, zardozi and pearl work. Complete zari filling and thread filling vachindi leaves ki, very lovely. And this is the pallu, running pallu, ended up with border. And blouse, we got ready-made blouse for this. It's a Banarasi blouse which is in lime green with work, front, back and for sleeves. Sleeves ki ekkuva manaki edite manaki border lo vachindho alage manaki cut work vachindi sleeves ki kuda. And ee saree pricing and details, 10,455. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful. Yeah, let me show you another saree. Lovely green, very lovely gorgeous green color, golden studded kundans all over body, beautiful kardana, zardozi and stone border. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Blouse, we got mustard color, mehendi, a light green andi, green and yellow ila mixed shade lo undi idi, mustard shade lo work vachindi, complete kardana and zardozi along with the stones. Sleeves vachesi 3/4 sleeves. And the front, back side work vachindi with dori. And ee saree pricing and details, 6,885. Take a screenshot along with the code T246. Send us on 733 733 7000. And ivanni nenu chuinche sarees ki anni ready made blouses included in sarees. Ee saree ki blouse vachindante adi saree included andi, with saree price, blouse price kuda kalipi cheptunnanu. And inkoka vishayam entante, just మీ మెజర్మెంట్ ఈ సారీ బుక్ అయిన తర్వాత మీ మెజర్మెంట్స్ అనేది మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేస్తే దాని ప్రకారం బ్లౌజ్ సైజ్ ఆల్టర్ చేసి మీకు కొరియర్ చేస్తాము. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్. లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ గార్జియస్ సారీ. Beautiful Kora again, tricolored beige, mint green along with the peach color. So beautiful, tricolored, all over sequins and kardana booties, and lovely cutwork border with zardozi, kardana and sequins, and lovely pallu, running pallu. Blouse We got ready-made blouse with all over sequins and kardana work. So pretty. And for sleeves, back side kuda complete work vachindi. And we got mask also. So anta manchiga ready ayaka manaku matching mask lekapothe bagod kadandi. This is the matching mask. Very pretty. And ee saree pricing and details, very lovely dories kuda icharu. 16,065. Take a screenshot along with the code M446. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful. And log on to our website, that is www. for more collections, and you can visit our store. We are taking every precaution in this pandemic, so come safely and have a happy shopping at Mandir. And ee store vachesi road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Just wear a mask and for your safety andi. Beautiful peach color shimmery georgette. It's a jute style lo undandi saree vachesi, but shimmery and beautiful florals with pearls, kardana and sequins. Very gorgeous. And this is the border with kardana, sequins and pearls. Pallu, very lovely. Pallu vachesi running pallu, ended up with border and buttas. And we got ready-made brocade blouse. It's a Banarasi brocade blouse which is in green color. Front, back side we got Gotapati work, and this work is called as Gotapati andi, and golden mirror work with knot work. Chala beautiful ga undi. This is the combination. And ee saree price 6,970. Take a screenshot along with the code Q802. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree. Beautiful magenta pink. All over kardana cross lines. And beautiful stone and bead work, florals. And running pallu, ended up with border, blouse. Yeah, indulone vachindandi blouse, unstitched blouse with work for sleeves and neck. And the saree price only 4,845. Fabric vachesi satin, pure satin. T301 is the code. Pure soft satin cloth. Next saree. Yeah, peach color, very lovely peach Kora saree. Beautiful, hand painted, and idanta hand painted florals and vines, and lovely pearl, kardana and sequence work for border. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with border. Blouse, raw silk blouse with work, self colored. Koncham light and brighter shade undi. Chala beautiful ga undi. And price vachesi 5440. Take a screenshot along with the code is 394. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree, red color, Kora saree with all over thread work along with the glass beads, and we got beautiful ruffles here as a border. And this is the pallu, running pallu, ended up with ruffles. Blouse, we got very lovely blouse for this, complete glass beads and thread work, self colored but complete work, front, back and for sleeves. Koncham kuda gap ledu, everything filled with work. And ee saree pricing and details, pure organza saree, 17,425. It's a purely designer saree. And next saree, this saree is in dark green, very dark green. Printed florals along with the sequence studding. Beautiful cutwork border with gotapati, stones and kardana. And lovely pallu, running pallu, ended up with cutwork border. Blouse, wow, we got matka silk blouse, complete work for sleeves and for sleeves and neck. And the saree pricing and details, 8330. Take a screenshot along with the code T294. Send us on 733 733 7000. ఇందులోనే ఇంకొక కలర్ ఉంది, అది చూపిస్తాను. This is in maroon color. Printed florals and alage kundan sequence stitching undi, and border vachesi cut work border with gotapati and stones kardana. Blouse, sorry, pallu, running pallu, ended up with cut work border. Blouse, sleeves ki work ila, and for neck. Chala gorgeous undi. And ee saree pricing and details, 8330. Take a screenshot along with the code T254. Send us on 733 733 7000. And beige, very lovely beige color with navy blue combination. All over cross lines lo maniki complete ga stones vachayi. Border vachesi beautiful stone and zardozi work. Backing is with blue color, navy blue. This is the pallu, running pallu, ended up with stone work border. Blouse, we got ready made blouse for this. And sleeves ki kuda work vachindi, chala pretty ga undi. And ee saree price 6035. Take a screenshot along with the code T243. Send us on 733 733 7000. Ee saree overall look okkari chuseddam. Beautiful peach color, thread work, complete beige color to thread work vachindi. So lovely. Border kuda thread work andi, complete ga florals. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with thread work border. Blouse, very soft plain fabric, self colored matka silk blouse vachindi. So ee saree price 8415. Take a screenshot along with the code T286. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. And indaka chuinchanu kada, lovely beige color with navy blue combination. Let's have a quick look. Let's see another saree. Wow, very pretty shade, beige. Complete, so colorful, all over body, digital printed, colorful florals. So many multicolors Andy, with studded kundans. Cutwork border with kardana and sequins. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. And we got super gorgeous blouse for this. Please wait, I'll show. Very lovely blouse. Complete work. Very lovely andi. Back side kuda chaala beautiful ga undi. Like pattern adi. So ilantivi manchiga night functions ki, night parties ki kattukunte, mehendi functions ki chaala lovely ga untayi. And ee price vachesi 10,710. Take a screenshot along with the code T261. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful. Another saree. Very bright pink, very beautiful pink color. All over kundans vachayandi, golden kundans. Blouse vachesi paisleys and cut work vachindi, sequins, kardana, glass bead as well as stones. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Blouse, we got ready-made blouse for this. Contrast, Rama green, complete work, stone work and zardozi along with the kardana. And ee saree pricing and details. 7,310. Take a screenshot along with the code T251. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Very light peach. Thread work, complete thread work, and border kuda thread work andi. All over floral jal ochindi with flying birds. These are birds. Lovely border, and this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Complete thread work, and blouse vachesi self color plain blouse. It's a matka silk, pure matka silk blouse. And ee saree pricing and details 8,415. Take a screenshot along with the code T284. Send us on 733 733 7000. And do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. Another saree. Yeah, it's a green shimmer, mint green, shimmery silk fabric laga undandi. And border vachesi cut work border. The saree is completely plain because already maniki shimmer ochindi kabatti chaala rich ga, soft ga, shiny ga kanpadutundi. And border vachesi mirrors, kardana, zari work, zardozi. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Blouse, we got ready-made blouse, mirror work, kardana work, front and back and for sleeves. And the saree pricing and details 8585. Take a screenshot along with the code Q869. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree. Lovely grey shimmery silk saree Beautiful stone work. All over body stone and zardozi leaf buttas vacha hai, and very pretty oval shaped stone work with kardana, stones and zardozi. This is the pallu. Running pallu ended up with border. And blouse, we got ready-made blouse which is in wine color. Yeah, this is the front, back side and for sleeves. Complete stone work. And the saree price 9,180. Take a screenshot along with the code T231. Send us on 733 733 7000. And for customized blouses, contact our brand and R for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing blouses or lehengas or dupattas, just contact us on, ping us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Lovely Kora saree. Beautiful thread work with green and pink color. And in the middle we highlighted with zari. And border vachesi zari border we got. Floral vines, cross kaddi and leaf border. And we got lovely backing. Ala maniki ala ichi light ga kanapadutundi manaki green color bandini lo. And this is the pallu, rich kaddi lines. Blouse, we got contrast mint green blouse plain with border. It's a matka silk blouse. Fabric vachesi matka silk. Very soft ga untundandi, koncham tussar laga kuda untundi, inka soft untundi. And ee saree pricing and details chala lovely ga undi. 10,030. Take a screenshot along with the code T280. Send us on 733 733 7000. Just ala ante idi manaki thread work as well as manaki we got zari also. So both traditional and trending rendu rakaluga undi saree. Another saree. Yeah, shimmery, very lovely dual toned saree which is in grey and peach color. Complete shimmer. And we got saree is completely plain, and downside we got very lovely motifs with kardana, mirror and pearl work along with the zardozi. And lovely border with kardana and mirror work as well as pearls. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. And we got ready-made blouse, Banarasi blouse, contrast with work. And ee saree price 6,030. Take a screenshot along with the code Q732. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Wow, super lovely red color, bandini style georgette, cross checks with florals, ikat style lo manaki ikat pattern lo vachindi, diamonds and florals, and beautiful border kaddi with munia booties along with the green piping. This is the pallu, rich paithani pallu with floral jal and munias. Blouse, we got beautiful paithani blouse, overall work kaddi with border. And the saree price 6,630. Take a screenshot along with the code T277. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Green color, bottle green with stones and lovely border, stone work, kardana, cut work border. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. And we got blouse for this. Lovely ready-made blouse for this. Wow. Yeah, this is for sleeves and ila vachindi. Wow. Very pretty blouse. Too good. Complete green and the silk material paina maniki everything is in stone work. Beautiful cut work. Chala lovely ga undi kada. And ee saree pricing and details 6885. Take a screenshot along with the code T253. Send us on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం బ్లౌజ్ తో పాటు. చాలా లవ్లీగా ఉంది. నాకైతే బ్లౌజ్ చాలా చాలా నచ్చేసింది. అండ్ యూ డోంట్ నీడ్ టు వరీ అండి మాకు బ్లౌజ్ సరిపోదా అని అలాంటి ఏం పెట్టుకోకండి. జస్ట్ మీరు సారీ బుక్ చేసుకున్నాక మీ మెజర్మెంట్స్ అనేది మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 7337337000 నెంబర్కి. దాని ప్రకారం మేము ఆల్టర్ చేసి మీకు షిప్ చేస్తాము. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్. అనేది సారీ. Yeah, lovely peach, pure crepe material, very soft material andi. Meeku ela untundo fabric ani kosam cheptunanu. Very soft and light weight untundi. Very gorgeous material. And maniki cheppalante mana slim ga kanpadtam ilanti sarees kattukunte. Border vachesi colored pearls, kadana, glass beads as well as pearl work. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border and beautiful tassels. And blouse, ready-made blouse, complete work, neck ki, front and back, and for sleeves. And ee saree pricing and details 6460. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Another saree. And keep on following Brand Mandar in Instagram and Facebook andi. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandar ni subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi. And press the bell icon, and whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notification. Keep supporting Brand Mandar and I'll be bringing beautiful collections to all of you. Another saree, very lovely magenta pink. It's a pure crepe, very soft fabric, complete golden studded kundans, golden stone work, beautiful border with kadana stones and zardozi. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Blouse mustard, ready-made blouse. We got ready-made blouse, mustard color, all over work, 3/4 sleeves andi. And ee saree pricing and details 6885. Take a screenshot along with the code T307. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Yeah, dark olive green, amazing color. It's a pure soft satin silk saree with all over stone work. Border, cutwork border with stone work, gold and silver, zardozi and zari. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border, and we got very pretty blouse. Yeah, gorgeous self colored blouse with work. And ee saree price 6035. Take a screenshot along with the code T296. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this saree overall look once. Next saree, pink color, shimmery Georgette sari. Beautiful Zardozi and stone work buttas, floral buttas all over body, and very pretty cut work border, scallop design, stone work, colored sequins along with the kundans. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border and tassels. And blouse, we got ready-made blouse for this, which is in teal blue work, front side, and this is for sleeves. And the beautiful sari pricing and details, 7,140. Take a screenshot along with the code T303. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful. ఇలాంటి సారీస్ ఈవినింగ్ పార్టీస్ కి కట్టుకుంటే మాత్రం అదొస్తుంది. వెరీ ప్రిటీ సారీస్. అండ్ అనదర్ సారీ, ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా డార్క్ ఆలివ్ గ్రీన్ సారీ విత్ కట్ వర్క్, కంప్లీట్ స్టోన్ వర్క్. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Yeah, let's see another sari. Very lovely light yellow shade with all over stone work, cut work border with Zardozi and stones. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cut work border, and we got red color backing, and blouse also red color, contrast blouse with stone work. We got ready made blouse for this. And the saree pricing and details, 6,035. Take a screenshot along with the code T242. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely andi, chaala beautiful ga undi color combination, light yellow with red, amazing. And let's see another saree. Grey color, light grey, very light grey, and maniki kundans kuda grey color lone vachayi. Kundan complete kundan studded, stone studded, grey color, and this is the border with colored pearls, stones, florals vachayi. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border, and we got backing with grey color. And blouse vachesi, we got ready made blouse. Idi saree lone included andi. Nenu chuvinche blouses anni kuda saree with saree prices cheptunnanandi nenu, not only saree price with blouse. Very lovely andi, chaala pretty ga undi. And the saree price only 6,715 with blouse. Take a screenshot along with the code T256. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. ఇది ప్యూర్ కోర కదండి, వెరీ సాఫ్ట్గా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి జారిపోతుంది. ఆల్ ఓవర్ లైట్, వెరీ లైట్ గ్రే షేడ్లో ఉంది. కంప్లీట్ సీక్వెన్స్ వచ్చాయి అక్కడక్కడ సీక్వెన్స్ ఉంది సారీ అంతా. నైట్ టైంలో బాగుంటుంది. అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి కట్ వర్క్ బార్డర్ విత్ కడ్డానా సీక్వెన్స్ ఫ్లోరల్స్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు, రన్నింగ్ పల్లు ended up with border, cut work border. And we got gorgeous blouse for this. Very beautiful blouse, so pretty. Peach color lo vachindi, complete sequence. Wow, so lovely. And ee saree pricing and details 12,070. Chala beautiful ga untundi. Take a screenshot along with the code T240. Send us on 733 complete light weight untundandi, very soft fabric. Evening time lo chala beautiful ga untundi and chala soft ga untundi. Another saree, yellow shimmery, very pretty saree, kardana and mirror work buttas and beautiful border, kardana, mirror work and pearl work. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Blouse, again my favorite blouse, organza blouse. Chala baagundi kada color combination, multi colors vachai like red, pink and orange. Sleeves vachesi transparent vachai with work. So beautiful andi, very lovely stitched blouse. And ee saree price 6,715 with blouse andi. T308 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code. Send us on 733 So after booking a saree, just me measurements anedi maaku WhatsApp cheste dani prakaram we'll alter the blouse and we'll ship andi. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. Let's see another saree. Yeah, lovely tomato red, beautiful red color, shimmery georgette, all over mirror work with zardozi, mirror work buttas vachai, and beautiful scallop designed border with pearls, kardana, sequence and gotapatti. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border as well as tassels. We got contrast blouse. This is the back side and this is for sleeves. And ee saree pricing and details 8,075. Take a screenshot along with the code T255. Send us on 733 Let's see another saree. Beautiful bottle green, bright green, all over golden stones vachandi, stone work, border vachesi cut work border with silver stones, zardozi and beads, golden beads. This is the pallu, running pallu ended with cut work border and with huge booty vachindi, stone booties. And blouse, we got ready-made blouse, contrast blouse with buttas, complete work front and back as well as for sleeves. Price 5355. Take a screenshot along with the code T248. Send us on 733 Another saree, beautiful red color, lovely organza, all over sequence work buttas, kardana and sequence work buttas with zari. And this is the zari border, floral vines, small and medium size. Pallu, beautiful pallu ended up with zari lines. And blouse vachesi we got ready-made blouse for this. చాలా different గా ఉంది కదా. సింపుల్ గా వచ్చింది ఇలా కడ్డానా స్లీవ్స్ కి, షార్ట్ స్లీవ్స్. And the saree pricing and details 4,760. Take a screenshot along with the code T257. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, lime green, all over pearl buttas and border vachesi gotapati and pearl work. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Blouse, ready-made blouse with work, front side, back side and for sleeves. And the saree price 8,160. Take a screenshot along with the code T247. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. Another saree, beautiful green, pure crepe saree with golden stones, all over golden stones studded, and beautiful border, leaf border with glass beads and stone and bead work. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border. And blouse, we got ready-made blouse, complete kardana work and stone work along with the mask, matching mask. And e saree pricing and details 6,715. Take a screenshot along with the code T309. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. Another saree, very lovely peacock blue, lovely shade. The saree is completely plain and it's a pure crepe, and downside we got stone work at work as well as stone buttas kuda vachai. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border, and this is the blouse. Contrast, we got bell sleeves, complete work and the complete bell sleeves ivvadam jarigindi. Very pretty. And front and back. And e saree pricing and details 6,970. Take a screenshot along with the code T264. Send us on 733 733 7000. And e price vachesi with blouse andi. ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ కాదు, సారీలో బ్లౌజ్ కూడా ఇంక్లూడెడ్. నేను ఇప్పుడు చూపించే సారీస్ అన్ని కూడా బ్లౌజెస్ తో కలిపి చెప్తున్నాను నేను ప్రైజెస్ అనేది. అనదర్ సారీ, lovely red bandhani style, red color banarasi georgette with floral vines the checks, bandhani buttas as well as dollar butta, and lovely khadi border with munia buttis and green piping. And this is the pallu, rich paithani pallu, floral jal along with the munias, big lotus. And this is the paithani blouse with all over work, thread weave and border. And the saree price 6,630. Take a screenshot along with the code T250. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this saree overall look once. This saree overall look okkari chuseddam. Another saree, wow, beautiful matka silk saree which is in teal green, checks, zari checks and mirror and sequence buttas, and lovely border with mirrors and sequence along with the kardana. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border and beautiful tassels, round balls laga vachai. And blouse, and the saree blouse ready-made blouse, mustard color, sequence and mirror work వచ్చింది. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది. ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ బ్యాక్ కంప్లీట్ వర్క్, అల్టిమేట్ కాంబినేషన్ అండి, ఎంత బాగుందో. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 7,140. Take a screenshot along with the code T249. Send us on 733 733 7000. బ్యూటిఫుల్. సో నేను ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా రెడ్ కలర్ బాందిని బెనారసి జార్జెట్, ఒక్కసారి అలా క్విక్ లుక్ చూసేసి వచ్చేద్దాం. Back to our collection. Lovely Kora, which is in blue color, all over hand painted floral booties, florals, lovely cutwork border with kardana, pearls, very pretty diamond shaped cutwork border. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with cutwork border. Blouse, yeah, we got raw silk blouse with work for sleeves and neck, self color. And the saree price 5,865. Take a screenshot along with the code T269. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another blouse, another saree. Beautiful maroon color, all over stone work, beautiful cutwork border with stones and zardozi, both brown color and silver color stones vachai. This is the pallu, running pallu, ended up with cutwork border. Blouse, yeah, this is the blouse, self colored with work. And e-saree price 6,885. Take a screenshot along with the code T298. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Wow, pure crepe silk andi, chala beautiful ga undi. Okalanti mustard color, very lovely mustard yellow. Printed florals along with the pearl and zardozi work, buttas, and we've got floral border along with the kardana, pearl and zardozi. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Blouse, plain, self color plain with work, pure crepe andi, chala beautiful ga undi fabric matram. Only 5,695. Take a screenshot along with the code T239. Send us on 733 733 7000. So lovely color. Another saree, green color, stone work all over, golden stone work and lovely border with silver stone and kardana, pasleys, zardozi. Blouse, contrast with all over stones and kundan work, kardana work, and price vachesi 7,310 included blouse. Take a screenshot along with the code T305. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari. Beautiful pink and wine color. Lovely border with kardana stones, pearls and studded kundans. Stones and even golden stones, studs laga vachayi. Very pretty border. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with border and lovely blouse. Wine color with work. Complete kardana, zardozi work andi, zardozi and stone work with thread filling, pink color. And the saree price 6,630. Take a screenshot along with the code T304. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful. Another saree. Wow, lovely kora, which is in half white, all over zari checks, beautiful thread and kardana work, buttas and lovely border with backing, lovely patchwork, dani paina work andi. And this is the pallu, tissue pallu, and we got super gorgeous blouse for this front. Self color but all over work వచ్చింది, thread and kardana work. And for sleeves superb గా ఉందండి, క్వాలిటీ మాత్రం అమేజింగ్ ఉంది. ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 16,745. Take a screenshot along with the code T274. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, green color, complete stone work and downside kuda cross checks tho stone work vachindi, kardana and stone work. And we got lovely zardozi here. Wow, chala pretty ga undi. And pallu vachesi running pallu, ended up with border as well as this kardana and zardozi work. And blouse, yeah, wow, fabulous blouse for neck and sleeves. Self color. And ee saree pricing and details 7,565. Take a screenshot along with the code T262. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful. And another saree, light green, all over kardana work, rounds achai, kardana lines though, and in the middle we got stone buttas, stone floral buttas, and lovely border. Beautiful cutwork border in oval shape. This is the pallu. Running pallu ended up with border and blouse. Contrast with work. And the saree price 11,645. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, peach color shimmery georgette and lovely border with mirror, zardozi and kardana work. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. And blouse, we got ready-made blouse for this, which is an olive green matka silk blouse with work front, back and for sleeves. Very lovely. And the saree price 8,075. Take a screenshot along with the code T306 senders on 733 733 7000. Another sari. Yeah, lovely Kora, which is in blue color, hand printed florals, cutwork border with kadana and sequins. Lovely pallu with hand painted florals and cutwork border, ended up with cutwork border. Blouse, self colored draw silk blouse with work. And the sari price 7,140. Take a screenshot along with the code S21241. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful. Another sari. Wow. ఈ సారీ చాలా సాఫ్ట్ ఉంటాయండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ మస్టర్డ్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ మస్టర్డ్, మెహందీ గ్రీన్ అలా మస్టర్డ్ షేడ్లో కనపడుతుంది. డిజిటల్ ప్రింటెడ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ మోతీ వర్క్, పర్ల్ వర్క్, వెరీ లవ్లీ. అలా అలా లేయర్స్గా వచ్చాయి, హాఫ్ సర్కిల్స్. అండ్ దాని లోపల కూడా మనకి బుటాస్ వచ్చాయి, చిన్న చిన్న కడానా అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్. అండ్ this is the pallu, running pallu, ended up with border. Blouse, yeah, mehendi green color with border. Sleeves ki border vachindandi, plain blouse. And price vachesi 8,075. Take a screenshot along with the code T233. Send us on 733 733 7000. Last sari. Yep, very pretty mint green Kora sari, all over Zardozi florals vachai with golden mirrors, beautiful border lines with kardana, pearls and Zardozi work. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with border. And we got ready-made blouse for this, checks blouse, matka silk checks blouse with work. And the sari price 6,885. Take a screenshot along with the code T241. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's move on to the mannequin sarees and their prices. Light sea blue, beautiful shimmery georgette and lovely border. Akkadakkada bootas vachayandi, mirror work bootas and mirror work border along with the kardana and zardozi. And we got ready-made blouse for this one, pink color, very pretty with work and lines as well as bandhani bootas. And ee saree pricing and details 8,075. Take a screenshot along with the code T311. Send us on 733 733 7000. And e blouse included in sari andi. Yeah, lovely sandal color pure crepe sari with the stone work. akkadakkada mottham all over ga pearls vachai and border vachesi stone work, stone and glass beads, kardana, chala pretty ga undi. Idi pallu, running pallu, ended up with border. We got ready-made blouse for this gorgeous maroon color, complete work and stone work. And the sari price P551 is the code, 6,715. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari, gorgeous blouse sari, బ్యూటిఫుల్ వర్క్ అండి. కంప్లీట్ ఇది సెల్ఫ్ కలర్డ్ పర్ల్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఇవి వచ్చేసి లవ్లీ థ్రెడ్, పార్సీ థ్రెడ్ వర్క్ విత్ కడ్డానా పర్ల్స్, వెరీ ప్రెటీ. అండ్ పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి రన్నింగ్ పళ్ళు, ఎండెడ్ అప్ విత్ బార్డర్. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ కూడా మనకి సెల్ఫ్ కలర్ లోనే ఉంటుందండి. And this is not included in the saree, and this gorgeous blouse is from our brand, R for Rupamani. And for customized blouses contact our brand. And e saree price 10,030. Take a screenshot along with the code T260. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. And the customized blouses kosam matram contact our brand andi, R for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mother, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. And ippudi varaku manam chusina collection okkari let's have a quick look. And you can visit our store. It's in door number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at door number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We provide cash and delivery option. So, ippudi varaku manam chusina sarees okkari let's have a quick look. Yeah. Yes, and some more collections are here. Come. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now and send us on 733 733 7000. చూసారు కదా ఇవాల్టి బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్యాన్సీ సారీ కలెక్షన్స్. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733 733 7000 నెంబర్కి. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ క్యాష్ అండ్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్. ఏదైతే ఈ లైవ్ వీడియో ఉందో దిస్ వుడ్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ఐజీటీవీ, ఫేస్బుక్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూట్యూబ్. సో 24 hours టైం ఉందండి. మీరు ఏం చక్కగా మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ రేపటి లైవ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అంటిల్ దెన్ బాయ్, take care, love you all, stay healthy and fit.